Want a cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank? Do we have the product for you? In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut headlight tint. But what you might not know is that Bogart Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium, higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogarttechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this 2024 Dodge Hornet, and we're going to do a headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So all we need to do is apply slip solution to the lens. And with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. So to start the installation, just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And we're going to start around this area of the curve of the headlight. So you can start by applying tack solution around this area, and also tack solution on the edge of the headlight tint here. So place the film, and we're going to just align it close to the curve as possible, because the headlight does curve inside here. We're going to try to cover just the tip of the curve here. That way it does the coverage here as well. So it has to be roughly around here. So follow the design here, and then just follow the curve here, and then just apply tack solution on top. Grab your squeegee and start securing the film. And to help it tack down on the curve, we're just going to apply a little bit of heat with tack solution, and then with our microfiber towel, just help it sit around the curve. Okay, so just apply a little bit of heat. Wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and start squeegeeing from the lower section of the headlight and work your way to the top. So let's try to squeegee at an angle, that way we don't accidentally crease the film. Do a light stretch to reach the top and to help remove any fingers. And you just repeat the process until you tack down everything. So just apply a little bit of heat again to help remove the fingers. Spray tack solution and just squeegee. And it should feel smooth. There shouldn't be any fingers. So it has to be smooth like this. And now we could just work our way stretching the film to remove these fingers until we reach it to this end. So to stretch the film, just lift the film carefully. Apply slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. And we're going to apply tack solution on the edge here. That way once we stretch the film and it reaches the edge of the headlight, we start tacking it down. So apply tack solution, hold it in position, and stretch the film to the edge. Make sure there's enough solution, that way we can stretch the film. So now that it's all stretched to the edge, all the fingers that we had here have disappeared. So now all we have to do is hold the film in position, make sure it doesn't move, apply tack solution on top, grab your squeegee, and just start tacking down the entire film. So the last thing to do once you finish with the installation for the headlight is to post heat the entire lens. So just apply tack solution to the tint, and we're going to use our microfiber towel just to help apply a little bit of pressure when we're applying heat, and also help remove any solution that's trapped underneath the edges. And as we're doing that, we're applying heat all around the film to help the adhesive activate faster. So take your time applying heat throughout the entire lens, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2024 Dodge Hornet. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.